Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to re-download and install games you've deleted in the past on your Nintendo Switch. So just on the home screen here, if we want to go and get something back, scroll all the way to the right, go to where it says All Software and select this. Then we can scroll on down under this menu and we can see where it says re-download system software or just the software. And then choose your profile for the Nintendo eShop. And it's going to load into this page where you will have the option to re-download everything. Otherwise, under the eShop, you can just go to account information, then go to re-download. And then we can find a game to re-download. So I deleted Apex Legends at one point, Fortnite. So let's go to this game right here, Eternal card game. Select it. And you can see it's already downloaded. Download started. So we can do this with multiple different games here. And we have all the different options here like wish lists, Nintendo Switch Online, your subscriptions, your pre-orders on the left side there too. So once we re-download the game, let's go back home and we should be able to see it downloading here. So here's Eternal. And it is moving really slow. It's going to take about 28 minutes. We got download options. We can download the software first or cancel or back out. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on YourSixTech.